Have you ever imagined waking up to payment notifications while you sleep? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2024, more people than ever are building six-figure businesses selling products they never have to ship or touch. I'm talking about digital products, and they're revolutionizing how we think about passive income. Today, I'm breaking down how exactly beginners can tap into this 11.9 trillion digital economy. If you're tired of trading time for money or dealing with inventory headaches, digital products are your ticket to freedom. We're talking ebooks, courses, templates, printables, digital gold that you can create once and sell infinitely. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree or tons of startup capital. Just your knowledge, creativity, and the strategy I'm about to share. That's right, today I'll take it to digital products for beginners. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the ThriveWise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Here's the thing. I get it. The online space feels overwhelming. You're probably thinking, everyone's already selling something. I don't have any special skills, or I wouldn't even know where to start. Trust me, I've been there. When I started my digital product journey, I wasted months jumping between different platforms, second guessing my expertise, and overthinking every decision. The biggest roadblocks? First, there's the paralysis of choosing what to create. With so many options, beginners often freeze up, or worse, create something nobody wants to buy. Then there's the tech nightmare. Navigating payment processors, delivery systems, and marketing tools can feel like learning a new language. And let's talk about imposter syndrome. That nagging voice saying you're not qualified enough. Add in the fear of putting yourself out there, the confusion about pricing, and the mystery of finding your first customers. It's no wonder why many give up before they even start. But here's what most gurus don't tell you. These challenges aren't roadblocks. They're actually opportunities. In fact, the very things that make digital products seem daunting are exactly what make them perfect for beginners. Why? Because there's a proven framework for overcoming each of these obstacles. And today, I'm pulling back the curtain on how exactly it works. Now, let's dive into the digital product goldmine. Let's kick things off with number 1, ebooks, the OG of digital products. Think of them as your knowledge wrapped in a digital burrito. The beauty here is that you don't need to be a Stephen King or have a PhD. My friend turned her houseplant keeping disasters into a hilarious How to Not Kill Your Plants ebook that makes $3,000 monthly. The secret? She wrote it like she was texting a friend. Recent stats show ebook sales hit 18.7 billion last year. And get this, niche-specific how-to guides are crushing it harder than my attempts at doing TikTok dances. Next is online courses. Now, this is where things get spicy. Imagine if Netflix and your college professor had a baby, but way more entertaining and actually useful. You can teach literally anything, and I'm not even kidding. There's a guy making six figures teaching people how to make amazing paper airplanes. True story. The global e-learning market is projected to hit $350 billion by 2025. And here's the kicker. You don't need fancy equipment. Your smartphone camera and authentic personality are basically enough. Remember, people aren't buying perfection. They're buying transformation. Then let's talk about printables, the sneaky passive income ninjas of the digital world. These bad boys are like the fast food of digital products. Quick to create, easy to digest, and surprisingly profitable. We're talking planners, worksheets, budget trackers, wall art. Basically anything can be printed and make someone's life easier or prettier. One of my students started a simple habit tracker design in Canva. Yes, just Canva. And now she's pulling in 5K monthly selling productivity principles. Templates are also the unsung heroes of the digital product world. Whether it's Instagram story templates, resume designs, or email sequences, people will pay good money to avoid starting from scratch. It's like selling them a head start in life. One guy in my community sells Notion templates for productivity. They made 43K last month. His secret? He just documented his own organization system. Mind blowing, right? Now, let's spill the tea on digital art and design assets. This includes everything from custom fonts to Instagram highlight covers. The market for these is hotter than the sauce you regretted trying at the Mexican restaurant. Last year, independent designers on creative marketplaces collectively earned over $1.2 billion. And no, you don't need to be Picasso. Some of the best selling items are simple, minimal designs. Audio products are having a moment too. Meditation guides, sound effects, music loops, even ASMR of people whispering about cryptocurrency. Yes, that's a real thing, and yes, people buy it. The digital audio market grows by 30% last year alone. One of my mentees records guided meditations from her closet, which is the best acoustics in her apartment, and makes more than her previous corporate job. But wait, there's a plot twist. The real magic happens when you combine these formats. I call it the digital product parfait. Layers of value that complement each other. You can start with an ebook, upgrade to a course, add some principles, and throw in some templates. Each layer catches a different type of customer at a different price point. But how long do these actually take? So let me drop some truth bombs about creation time. A solid ebook takes about 2 to 4 weeks if you're focused. A basic online course, 4 to 6 weeks for your first one. Principles, you can knock out a collection in a weekend. And templates, 1 to 2 weeks to create a profitable package. But here's what makes digital products the ultimate beginner-friendly business: the automation factor. Once you set up your delivery system, it's like having a mini robot army working for you 24/7. People can buy your products while you're sleeping, at the gym, or trying to convince your cat that the red dot isn't real. But how about the profit margins? Well, they're juicier than a gossip session at a family reunion. With physical products, you might see 30 to 40% margins, but with digital products, we're talking 70 to 90% after platform fees. That's because you're not paying for inventory storage, shipping, or dealing with suppliers who ghost you faster than a bad Tinder date. The best part? You can start testing ideas with minimal risk. Unlike my friend who ordered 1,000 fidget spinners right before the trend died. Digital products let you validate these ideas before investing tons of time and money. It's like dating before marriage. You get to see it if there's a real connection with your market first. Now, I know what you're thinking. These all sound good, but do they actually work? To better convince you, how about we take a look at Amanda Hocking, the self-published author who turned her rejected novels into a digital goldmine. Back in 2010, she was a struggling writer working a day job as a group home worker, making just $18,000 a year. Get this, she couldn't even afford the $300 to submit her book for a writing convention. Instead of giving up, she decided to self-publish her paranormal romance novels as ebooks on Amazon. Here's where it gets wild. In her first year, she sold over 1 million copies of her digital books, priced between 99 cents and $2.99. By March 2011, she was making $9 million from her digital products. But the craziest part? She did this before TikTok, before BookTok, before all the fancy marketing tools we have today. The secret sauce? Amanda understood her target audience because she was her target audience. She wrote the books she wanted to read and priced them affordably. No fancy marketing degree, no huge platform, just consistent content creation and smart pricing strategy. She proved that you don't need a traditional publisher, a massive following, or industry connections to succeed with digital products. You just need to solve a problem, or in her case, fulfill a desire for your specific audience. Digital products aren't just a way to make money. They're your ticket to true financial freedom. Whether you start with a simple ebook or dive into course creation, the key is taking action. Remember, your knowledge, no matter how basic it seems to you, could be exactly what someone else needs. The digital product economy is only getting bigger. Don't wait to claim your piece. And well, that's basically digital products for beginners. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.